Biden finishes speech, then turns to shake hands with air, then gets lost on stage.
What?
Will,
I don't even need to watch
wait a
this video.
second. Will, are you packing this much heat today? Are you seriously packing this much heat today?
Oh my goodness.
I feel bad for the guy.
Is
No.
this,
Wait a
It says
second.
video. We got to see
That
this.
headline, now it has so much to live up to. This
Yeah.
clip.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, it lives up to it.
You guys gotta watch it.
Oh, man.
post it up.
He says that it lives up to it. Damn. All right. Hit us with
There
it.
might
Will.
be copyright.
Packing serious heat. Well, copyright. We got the super chatters. We can handle copyright.
Okay. here
We
go.
are infringers. Oh, man. Oh. Yeah.
Oh man. Okay.
Yeah. You. He really wanted a
no.
handshake there.
Yeah.
I have. What do you think? Do you think maybe he was saying like he was confused as to which way he has to get off the stage? So he's like this
He's
way
pointing, direction
way,
wise.
this
That's
way?
that's what I'm hoping.
because you see
No,
him point
no.
again when he turns around, and he goes like this, the same handshake motion.
You
Watch
point
it.
like that?
I'm not saying I point like that. That's how Biden points.
I don't know if he points like that. Do you think it would be?
Let's do a play by play.
I would think that in a scenario like this, it would be possible that you shake hands after.
Oh, absolutely.
Yes.
Shout out Jameson, by the
Okay.
way.
Sticks it.
See, he's looking somebody in the eye.
He's looking at someone.
I agree, but
But no
maybe
one's
he's
around
saying,
him.
do I go this way? Maybe
It's possible. It is a very stiff hand extension.
And it's not
Sometimes
very-
when you go for a handshake, there's a little more curve to it because you're less stiffened out.
Yeah, this is very like he's ready for a handshake. The way that he kind of like puts it down.
Well, he's almost saying, get over here and shake my hand. If that's what he's doing.
Yeah.
Like, get up and shake my hand.
But everyone's so far away.
Look,
they-
he goes,
They're
Oh, that
far
person.
and
away.
then he does it again.
They're far away. Where does he do it again?
Right there. So he turns around and he goes like this again.
Damn, this clip has 9.4 million views, Will.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is.
Damn. But see, here's the problem. He doesn't remember how he got on the stage. Because otherwise, you're always
Rude.
going
you would
off
know
the
where
way
to
that you
get
came
off.
on.
Yeah.
Like unless he parachuted in there, or they somehow dropped him in there.
Right.
But it's also possible you do so many
He
of these
forgets.
damn things. Yeah. I mean, listen, he's obviously old. Like,
Well, yeah,
it's not
I mean, come
news.
on.
It's not news that he's old. But yeah, he's definitely lost. I think somebody had to go up there with him.
No, he eventually makes his way down.
Well, I mean, yeah, of course he makes his way down. I can see that. It's shout out Siberia. That's a cool name, Siberia with a C. Will, what can I say about this?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
He's old. He's old. They knew he was old. Everybody knows he's old. And this kind of stuff, you got to get used to it. This is par for the course over here.
Yeah.
This is the way it's going to be for all of us when we're that old. There's only so much you can do to fight the thing. And because the other thing is, when you're a little bit younger, even if you're confused, there's more speed to it. Speed confusion. You'd scramble out of there. A guy like you'd
Yeah.
scramble. You'd be gone.
I'm gone.
You'd sprint out of there.
I'd go underneath the podium.
Yeah.
and I'm
But the thing
disappear.
is, it's confusion plus slow speed that creates.
the hilarious event
Yes.
of just standing there.
Yes, exactly. It's a combination factor that's going on.
Yes, the wandering and the confused.
Exactly.
Add those together, you get a 9.4
And the
million.
thing about wandering has to be slow. And the way you move around in a space like this, there's a pace to it.
Yeah.
So even you would quickly have changed from, oh shit, there's no handshake to how did I get on this stage to see you later and I'm booking it out there. You may have even done something a little funny. You may have been a little witty about it after you did something dumb.
Add some charisma.
You might have done the handshake to the hair slick.
Yeah.
You remember that move?
Yeah.
I mean, like, shout out Brian.
Yeah.
But either way, someone's got to go near him on the stage, I would say. Because there was
an assistant.
For me, there was the other moment, and I don't remember if we talked about it on this show or not. There was the moment where he called the Ukraine. He called it.
Iranian.
Yeah, he called the Ukrainian people the Iranian people. That's what he did. I know that's not how you pronounce.
Iranian.
I know that's not how you pronounce Iran, but he said it. He said instead of Ukrainian, he said Iranian. Shout out Turtle. And that for me in that moment, and I said this when we covered that clip, you got to get it right.
Yeah.
Even I don't care if it's me, and I don't care if I'm embarrassed. I want someone to correct me in that moment. I don't want to find out in the clip after that I said the wrong people I'm talking to. And so if somebody's with him on stage, you just straight up feed him the intel. You just go, or screw it. You grab the mic and go, just quick correction.
Yeah.
We're obviously talking about Ukraine.
Yeah.
Like, these are important words.
Absolutely.
If they're what we're doing here, these are not important words comparatively speaking. When you're doing an address in front of the whole world, and you got to get it right. You need a checks and balances system over there. If you get it wrong, you make the correction. And I guess they're not fast enough to put it on screen or whatever. But
the world is clearly choosing the side of peace and security.
this is the clip that I'm
This is the
talking
real
about.
test. And it's going to take time. So let us continue to draw inspiration from the iron will of the Ukrainian people.
He said Ukrainian
To our
there.
fellow Ukrainian Americans,
He said Ukrainian there.
forge the deep bond that connects our two nations. We stand with you. We stand with you. Putin may circle Kyiv with tanks, but he'll never gain the hearts and souls of the Iranian people. He'll never extinguish their love of freedom.
And then
Correct.
Kamala Harris,
And he will
she
never
mouths
weaken the resolve of the
Ukrainian, right? Because for her, it's like, well, she's like anybody watching it. She feels the need to correct it immediately because she recognizes the significance of it. It's true. It did sound like he said uranium people. It did sound like it. If somebody in the chat just said it, but I'm just saying, okay, it's fine. It's fine. Whatever. He's an older person, but you give him backup. Give him some backup when he's going out there.
So something like this doesn't happen.
Just give him some backup.
often.
Give him some backup. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. It is what it is now. He's over there. It is what it is now. So you give a little backup.